Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest not working on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here and you just go down here. You click here on apps, then you come to apps window here in this window. Then you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window. Then we click here on Pinterest and we go to next window here or app info window. Then you just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK and you just go down. You click here on storage. Then you come to storage window. You click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem on your Pinterest app. I wish I get it. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.